I'm currently using one of the TD Snap Pod 15 cell layouts, and when you create one of those page sets, you won't see the chat mode option, which you might be familiar in other software like Compass. You can actually add that to the message window area at the top, and so I'm going to show you how you can do that if you need that feature. So what we will do is click on the Edit Settings button in the top right-hand corner. And then what you need to do is resize the message window so that you've got space to add that chat mode option. And there are a number of other message window options that you can add. You'll see those in a moment. So we resize the message window. And you may want to, it depends where you want to position these buttons. For consistency, always make sure you do it in the same space for that individual. But you may want to center the message window in the middle and then have one button on the left, one on the right. You've got different combinations you can think about. When we resize the message window, we've got a space here with a plus, and that just means it's a blank cell that we can change and add to. When we click on it, it gives us the options for all the message window type functions. We've got speaking the message window, clearing it, deleting it, the chat mode, which we're about to add, options for copy to button, and options for sharing. So let's add the toggle chat mode. The other options will be discussed in other short videos. And now we can use this chat mode as you would have used in other software options. So what happens is when I click on done, this just means that I now have options to write my message in this window. I might be at school and writing an answer for the teacher. And then, so I might just put some words in there. Oops, I'm going to go in there. And then a friend might come and ask me something, so I can click on chat mode. So it stops my message window for a moment, or it actually makes a second message window. And I now can chat in this area and say something to the person. And then once I finish talking to my friend, I can click on stop chat and it goes back to the message that I was constructing. So that's the use behind the chat mode option, and that's how you can add it into your pod TD Snap Pod layout.